And I wanted to show you what I think is a pretty cool new feature that I've added to RacketHub on December 1st, 2024. If you're at all familiar with publishing, you know that you are typically working towards a date. In this case, I've got it here set up on RH18, the project overview, as July 14th, 2024. Now that's all fine and dandy. So to make that happen, we've got in RH32A lots and lots of tasks that we would need based on our project to complete, ideally before the project ends. But as it so happens to be, life gets in the way. So right now I'm going to add a new pub date here, and let's say that the author needs another 4 months. So I'm going to click in here and select November 15th. I'll make it the 14th here. So that does a couple of things here. First, it populates this property in Notion, and the days postponed is 123. Now, in the past, you'd have to go into the database and you could select multiple records, but it was quite frankly a little difficult to reassign those tasks. And you can see here that there are just 4 that I'm highlighting here. We haven't started 2 of them, and we have finished 2 of them. So wouldn't it be great if there were an easy way for us to postpone by the number of days here, 123 in this case, just the tasks that we haven't completed. In other words, the open tasks. So here's how you do that. You can click on this button, postpone all non-completed tasks, and you can see here how that sets up this property, postpone me, and it doesn't do anything with the finished tasks, but for the non-started tasks, it now pushes that date up by 123 days. And it indicates here that we've postponed it and its success, and that's auto-generated from the system. So this is going to do this for all of the records in your task database, RH32A. And then if you want to mark them all as not postponed, you can just click this and it'll switch that back. So hopefully you'll enjoy this feature. This does save a great deal of time. In the past, you could do that in Notion task databases with dependencies, but they could get pretty complicated. And also, as you probably know at this point, from working on a book, it isn't exactly all waterfall or sequential in nature. You can work on multiple things concurrently. For example, if you wanted to be writing the book while you're figuring out the cover, while you're figuring out the title, while you're starting the marketing, you certainly can do that. So task dependencies were decent but not perfect, and this way again is much easier. And anytime you would shift the publication date, you could run through this process again. Thanks, and I hope that you enjoy it.